from $1,000 to $100,000. This is the crypto blueprint for 2025. Pay close attention because the information in this video could fundamentally change your financial future. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a strategic plan for a once-in-a-generation wealth transfer event that is happening right now. But first, let's confront the harsh truth. The vast majority of people who enter the crypto market will lose money. Why? Because they operate without a plan. They are driven by emotion. They hear about a coin pumping on social media, they FOMO in at the absolute peak, and then, when the inevitable correction comes, they panic sell at a massive loss. They chase hype, they get burned, and they walk away convinced that crypto is just a scam. They treat it like a casino, and the house always wins. But you are going to be different. You will operate with a blueprint. You will be the house. Step 1. Build your core. This is the unshakable foundation of your entire portfolio. 50% of your capital goes here, split between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Think of Bitcoin as your digital gold. It is the most secure, decentralized, and recognized store of value in the digital world. With a fixed supply of only 21 million coins, it is mathematically scarce, a hedge against inflation and global uncertainty. The recent approval of Bitcoin ETFs by the largest institutions on Wall Street wasn't the end of the game, it was the firing of the starting pistol. Then you have Ethereum, the world's supercomputer. It's not trying to be digital gold, it's a decentralized platform that allows developers to build the next generation of the internet. Decentralized finance, NFTs, Web3 gaming, it all runs on Ethereum. This 50% allocation is your anchor. It provides stability and allows you to weather the storms of market volatility with confidence. You don't trade your core, you accumulate it. Step 2. High-growth alts. This is where we target exponential gains. We allocate 30% of our portfolio here, focusing on dominant narratives. First, high-performance Layer 1s like Solana. These are the base layer blockchains competing with Ethereum, offering faster speeds and lower costs, attracting massive waves of users and developers. Second, we look at the intersection of the two most powerful technologies on the planet, AI and blockchain. AI tokens are building the infrastructure for decentralized machine learning, computing, and data analysis. This is a trillion-dollar sector in its infancy. Third, real-world assets or RWAs. This is the tokenization of tangible assets like real estate, stocks, and bonds on the blockchain. It's the bridge that will bring trillions of dollars from traditional finance into the digital ecosystem. Your research here is key. Find the leaders in each of these categories. Step 3. The moonshots. This is the most speculative, but also the most explosive part of our blueprint. The final 20% of your portfolio is dedicated to small-cap gems that have the potential to 50x or even 100x. These are projects with market caps under $100 million, operating on the cutting edge of innovation. Understand the risk. Many of these will fail. This is venture capital style investing, but you are not gambling. You are making calculated bets based on deep research into the project's technology, the experience of its team, its tokenomics, and its community. You only need one of these to hit big to generate life-changing wealth that dwarfs the returns from the rest of your portfolio. This is where fortunes are made. Now the blueprint is useless without disciplined execution. Here are your rules. 1. Dollar cost average. You invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the price. This removes emotion and ensures you're buying more when prices are low. 2. HODL your core. You do not sell your Bitcoin and Ethereum. You accumulate them for the long term. 3. Take profits in tiers. Have a plan you invest. Decide at which price levels you will sell a portion of your high growth and moonshot positions. Sell 25% at a 5x, another 25% at a 10x. Turn paper gains into real money. 4. Secure your assets. Not your keys, not your crypto. Move your long-term holdings off exchanges and onto a cold wallet. This is non-negotiable. It protects you from hacks and exchange failures. We are in a unique moment in time. The 2025 opportunity window is open. The institutions are here. The BlackRocks, the Fidelities, they are accumulating. But the mainstream retail crowd, the mania that sends markets into the stratosphere, is not yet fully awake. This is the quiet before the storm. This is the period where the smart money builds its positions before the public even knows what's happening. Turning $1,000 into $100,000 isn't about luck. It's not about a meme coin prayer. It's about having a professional strategy and the discipline to execute it flawlessly. This is your blueprint. The wave is coming. The question is, will you be ready to ride it?